Hello and welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness Series 15. Today we're discussing one of the biggest cyber attacks in history which targeted Target Corporation in 2013. During the peak holiday shopping season, a security tip-off from the US government alerted Target to an abnormal rate of fraudulent credit card charges, all traced back to their stores. This hack led to the theft of 40 million credit card records. Here's how it happened. Attack flow. Initial compromise. The attacker sent a malware-laden email to an employee at Fazio, a small third-party vendor working at Target. Credential theft. The attacker stole the login credentials that the Fazio employee used to access Target's web application, exploiting vulnerabilities. Using these credentials, the attacker exploited a vulnerability in the web application and executed code on the web app server. Domain admin access. The attacker stole the token of a domain admin from the server's memory and created a new domain admin account using the stolen token. Lateral movement. The attacker moved to other valuable systems within Target's internal network, focusing on systems connected to POS terminals. Deploying malware. The attacker uploaded RAM scraping tools to the POS terminal machines, recording millions of card swipes and storing the stolen data on a local server. Data exfiltration. The attacker transmitted 11 GB of stolen data, 40 million records, to external servers via FTP. The stolen credit card information was then sold on the black market. Key insights. Vendor security. Focus on what you can control. Fazio used a free version of Malwarebytes that lacked real-time protection and did not employ MFA. While supply chain security management is complex, you can control certain aspects. Block application or resource access without MFA. Block device access without device compliance checks. Web app risks and real risks. External access to what seems like an insignificant web app can pose a significant risk. How small risks can escalate into massive breaches. Prioritize and address application security vulnerabilities. Importance of alert management. Target's intrusion detection systems did trigger multiple alerts, but the security team did not respond to them. Too many false positive claims can desensitize your security team to real threats. Ensure your SOC team is equipped to differentiate and respond to genuine threats. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more real-world cybersecurity insights.